SakaFed. Hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking curry goat and some other stuff. Come and watch me cook. Keep me company, guys. This meat, I marinated it since yesterday. I have it in a lot of spices. I have all my seasoning, the curry, thyme, onion, garlic. So it's well seasoned. Okay, and what I'm using is my little Dutch pot. It's very heavy. It's when you're cooking meat like goat meat or oxtail, you want to make sure you have a really heavy solid pot. It keeps a lot of heat in, and this way your meat is going to cook nice and tender. Just going to turn it on and the stove and let it heat up the pot. Put some oil in there. I don't want to put too much, just enough so I can roast some curry in there. Okay, and I have my Jamaican curry. Oh, that smells really good. So I'm just going to pour some in here, enough, and I'm going to let it roast in there for a bit. I'm just going to stir it. Just let that roast a bit before I add anything to it. Okay, look at that, guys. It's nice. It's roasted very nicely. You don't want to overdo it to burn. So you want to make sure you don't burn it, otherwise your curry is going to be bitter. So that looks fine. It's nice and foaming up there and it's done. So we're just going to add that to it and give it a stir. I'm putting some cumin, and I should have put that with the curry, but I forgot. So that's okay. You add it to it when you remember. So we're just giving that a stir. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good already. You can see the color in there. It's perfect. Cover that for about 10 minutes. And it's going to create its own juices, like it's going to sprout. So I'm just going to turn it down to a medium high and just leave it for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to check it. Okay, look, see guys how it's steaming up there? Yeah, see? So you just want to stew it in there. Look at that. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it again. Leave it for a few more minutes. Let it stew down and all that spices, let it get in the meat and just, you know, flavor it up. So guys, I'm doing oxtail too. I had it all seasoned. So, and again, I'm just going to cover it, let it make its own juices. Okay, I'm checking my oxtail, see? They're starting to sprout as well. Look at that. I didn't add any water to that yet, or to the goat. So let that just cool down. Okay, look at that, guys. So guys, I'm just putting some beef stock. I don't always use beef stock. You can use water, but I just happen to have this there, so I'm going to use it up. So just put some more water in there to cover the meat. Okay, and I don't need to add onions or garlic, any of that stuff. That's already in there. And the thyme, fresh thyme, everything I need is already in there. Only when I taste it, if I need some more salt, I'll add a beef bouillon in there. But that's it. I'm going to cover it up, bring it to a boil, and just let it simmer away until it's nice and tender. When you're cooking curry goat, the secret is in the marinating. And once you have your meat well seasoned, you don't have to worry. You can just put it on and let it simmer away for how many? 2 hours maybe, depends. You're going to see how tender your meat is. And then that's it. Oxtail, same thing. See, I didn't add any liquid to that yet. That's its own stuff. So I have this kitchen bouquet. It adds color and flavor to my meat. So this is good for when you're making like brown stew. Guys, look at the oxtail. It's coming really nice. Look at the color on that. It's looking so good. Now I'm just gonna add some water to it to cover the meat and just let it simmer down until it's nice and tender. I like to cook it for at least 3 hours until it's nice and tender. So I'm just gonna leave that now. I did add some bouillon to that, and I'm gonna let it cook down, and about when it's almost done, I will add some carrots to it. I don't like adding carrots to my curry goat. Curry goat, I like it just curry goat, that's it. But this, I will add some carrots later. So guys, I'm just gonna cover them up, this one. And then once it starts boiling, I'll turn it down and just let it cook. Now it's been 2 hours. I've been cooking this goat meat. Okay, so I got a pepper in here. It's cooked, but I'm not ready for it yet, so I'm just gonna take this pepper out and turn it up, and I'm gonna taste it and see if I need any more seasoning, salt. No, that's good. I have some collard greens cooking, and let us check the oxtails. Oh, that oxtail. I'm gonna take my pepper out. I'm gonna take some of this fat off of this, guys, and I will take that out like that. I'm just gonna skim the fat. Take this thyme leaf out of here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And there you have it, guys, our curry goat with some collard greens and rice. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you have a great day and God bless.